how to sign up for a Nike membership on Nike.com. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide to do so you may follow out these steps. So we can start by opening up the Nike website. You can open up a browser and go to Nike.com and hit enter, and that should take you to their official site. And this is their official site right there. You can just go over and view it up. Now, if you want to join the membership, in the top right corner of the screen, you can look out for this option called Join Us right before the login. You can just go over and click on that option, and it should let you to another page, which is this one right here where we can register. So click on this option called Register, and let's head over to the login screen and start by entering up your email. So go ahead and enter it up and click on Continue. And the thing is, Nike membership is completely free and gives you access to exclusive products, rewards, and special offers. So once you enter up your email, you will be receiving a code which you need to enter up. So go ahead and enter it up in this section and enter up your code. Once you enter up your code, will be found in the section for first name and last name. Enter it up in these boxes available. So enter up your first and last name. After that, you need to create up a password. You can create up a password and your shopping preference. It's men's or women's. After that, just go and enter up your date of birth, your day, month, year, and click on this option called sign up for emails, and you agree to the Nike's privacy policy in terms of years. After you do so, you need to click on this option called create account, and you may verify your email after that. And once you've done so, your account will be created. After signing up, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and add your shipping address and many more. Add payment methods, select favorite sports or styles. And once you are signed in, you will be getting different benefits such as free shipping on eligible orders, member exclusive shoes and gear, early access to product drops, etc. You can just go over and that's it. That is it. That is how you basically sign up for the membership. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.